Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. Welcome to our online English class. Today we are going to read the exercise of our second poem, The Mulberry Bush. Understanding the poem, write the answers of the following. जो हमने poem पढ़ी है उसमें से questions के answers हैं. Question number 1 is who is speaking in the poem? Poem में कौन बात कर रहा है? The children. What jobs do the children have? बच्चे क्या काम करते हैं? Children wash and iron their clothes. What do the children do on Tuesday? बच्चे मंगल को क्या करते हैं? Iron their clothes. How many days are there in 1 week? एक हफ्ते में कितने दिन होते हैं? There are 7 days in 1 week. Okay. Next is learning about language. You may use these words. They tell us what the children doing. Students, there are some pictures of persons. And we have to guess about them, what are they doing, and there are some words which will help about them. Wash, brush, go, comb, look, sleep, read, carry. Let's see the first picture. In this picture, here is a boy who is sleeping. So we have to tell about him. Who is this? This is Ali. What is he doing? He is sleeping. In next picture, here is a boy who is reading a book. So we will give answer like this. Who is this? This is Imran. What is he doing? He is reading a book. In the third picture, here is a girl who is brushing. So we will answer like this. Who is this? This is Parveen. What is she doing? She is brushing her teeth. In the fourth picture, here is a girl who is washing her hands. So, who is this? This is Sadia. What is she doing? She is washing her hands. In the next picture, here is a boy who is combing his hair. So, who is this? This is Salman. What is he doing? He is combing his hair. In the last picture, here is a girl who has a basket and she is carrying it. So we will try to write the answer like this. Who is this? This is Farah. What is she doing? She is carrying a basket. Here is the activity from your workbook. Talk about the pictures. What are they doing? Students, here are some persons who are doing some jobs and we have to guess like activity we have already done. So, first we see their names: Imran, Pasi, Parvez, Mr. Shah, Mrs. Malik, Beena, Sarah. Here is a box which will help us about describing the persons. We will read the words in this box: reading, sleeping, hopping, walking, sitting, writing, jumping, pulling, talking, running. So in this picture, this is Imran and he is reading a book. So we will answer like this. Imran is reading a book. Got it? Okay. Next picture. Here is a picture of cat. Her name is Pussy. What is she doing? Pussy is sleeping. Yes. In the third picture, here is a boy. His name is Parvez. He is running. So we will say Parvez is running. In this picture, here is a person and he is pulling a goat and his name is Mr. Shah. So we will say like that. Mr. Shah is pulling a goat. In this picture, Mrs. Malik is writing something. So we will say that Mrs. Malik is writing. In this picture, a girl is walking and her name is Beena. So we will say that Beena is walking. In this picture, a girl who is jumping. So we will say that Sarah is jumping. Got it? Okay. Our second activity from workbook is rearrange the letters and write the correct words. Students, ये जंबल लेटर्स हैं. इनको अरेंज करेंगे तो हमारे डेज ऑफ वीक बन जाएंगे. एक एक को हम जब अरेंज करेंगे तो एक वीक में से एक एक डे बन जाएगा. जैसे फर्स्ट है ESANDYWED वेड. तो इससे क्या वर्ड बनेगा? वेडनेसडे, मंडे, संडे, सैटरडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, ट्यूसडे. It's very easy activity, students. Okay, let's see the next activity. Rearrange the letters. Write the words in the blanks. Students, here are some words. They are jumbled and we have to make new words, and there are also some pictures of the words. So, first is BTOA. तो इनको अरेंज करेंगे कि एक वर्ड बने. ओके, BOAT, boat. Here is a picture of boat. नेक्स्ट इज, ये इन जंबल से हम बनाएंगे एक वर्ड CYCLE, साइकिल. ये रही साइकिल. ARC, इससे हम बनाएंगे वर्ड CAR, कार. ये रही कार. NAW, VAN, van. So where is van? Yes, ये रही van. नेक्स्ट देखिए ETAG, इससे वर्ड हमने बनाना है. यस, GATE, गेट. सो दिस इज गेट. TRARAT, rat. Here is rat. NUSSUN, sun. Where is sun? Yes, here is sun. GRITE, TIGER, tiger. Yes, it is tiger. So students, today we have completed our second poem with reading, translation and exercise. Hope that you enjoyed this lecture. Okay students, Allah Hafiz and take care.